On April 8, 2015, the Obama administration called for an end to conversion therapies that seek to change a person's sexual orientation or gender identity. In 2019, Colorado House Bill 191129 prohibited psychologists, psychiatrists, counselors, therapists, social workers, and others from performing conversion therapy on anyone under the age of 18. The law did not apply to clergy or religious counselors acting in a purely religious capacity. On October 7, 2025, Kaylee Childs, a licensed Christian counselor in Colorado Springs, Colorado, challenged the statewide ban before the Supreme Court. In their opening remarks, her representatives told the court this law prophylactically bans voluntary conversations, censoring widely held views on debated moral, religious, and scientific questions. Generally speaking, conversion therapy is a treatment used to change a person's attraction for same-sex individuals and or to cure gender dysphoria. The dreadful history of conversion therapy in the United States dates back to the late 19th and early 20th centuries, when psychologists and psychiatrists began experimenting with methods to, quote, treat same-sex desires. By the 1930s, mainstream psychiatric institutions promoted these therapies, viewing homosexuality as a mental disorder. Early techniques included aversion therapies like electric shock, nausea-inducing drugs, and hypnosis, along with talk therapy and counseling. In 1952, homosexuality was officially psychopathologized in the American Psychiatric Association's DSM. During the 1940s through the 1960s, experimental attempts to cure queer individuals through psychosurgery ramped up. Dr. Walter Freeman and Dr. James Watts made performing lobotomies a cure for all sorts of disorders, including homosexuality. Estimates suggest that nearly 40% of Friedman's lobotomy patients were homosexual men, reflecting the level of medical and social stigma against LGBTQ+ people. Many proponents of conversion talk therapy suggest that it's less harmful than past forms of conversion. While there's no physical harm, multiple studies report that patients of conversion therapy, particularly minors, report higher levels of depression and anxiety, an increased sense of self-loathing and hatred, a heightened sense of hopelessness, and suicidal ideation. For minors, the message that the core of their being is wrong, disordered, or misaligned with religious beliefs can be especially damaging, reinforcing shame, internalized stigma during a vulnerable developmental stage. If the Supreme Court overturns Colorado's ban, it could have a devastating impact on the lives of young people, particularly those in southern states. Please subscribe and share these stories.